Hi, today we are gonna be preparing red velvet cake. Red velvet cake is actually a combination of cocoa and vanilla flavor cake. I've never knew that before I actually researched a little bit about this cake. So the red color is just out of the red food coloring, but the taste is, kind of in middle of cocoa and vanilla. If you cannot decide which one you like more, you can always go for red velvet and you'll get both in one. Crumb coat is a very thin layer of frosting on a cake that you put into the fridge for 20 minutes, and then you can add more frosting on top of that. What it does for you, it basically covers all the crumbs on the cake, so when you put the next layer on top of that, it won't be showing any crumbs, and you're gonna have a nice smooth frosting on a cake. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please give me a thumb up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.